In this lecture, we will going to discuss and explain why the design thinking focus on the human. When we talk about the design thinking, we say that design thinking focus on human first. That means we are talking about that in design thinking, we talk about the user first. We are trying to understand what the user need, what is the requirement of a people, and then we are trying to come up with the effective solution to meet their needs. Whenever we are talking about the design thinking, people use the design thinking as a solution based approach to the problem solving. That means when we are focusing on the design thinking, we say that design thinking does not require any exclusive skills, or we not say that it is the fine art or a design process, or it is any of the rocket science, or it is being belongs to any of a person who belongs to the technical field. We say that design thinking is open to everyone, and it has been greatly useful for the any industries or a discipline that want to go with the innovations of their product by understanding what the human or a pupil needs. Try to understand the requirement of their user. So we can say that design thinking is not only related to the one particular field, but we can say that design thinking is the intersection of the user, of the technology, and the economical aspect, which make it as a holistical approach to the innovation. Therefore, we have to go with the investigation of a human need while studying the physical and the economics design. So, when we are talking about the design thinking has got three criteria that will going to be discussed in the next video.